Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 64. If we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 1. 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 4 covering these two boxes, so our 4 must be here. I don't see any other help, so 8, 9, 8, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 here and a 1 here, so our 1 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. To finish out this box, we're also missing a 2. For this column now, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 covering these two boxes, so our 5 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 7. That 1 makes this our 9, 1. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering both of these boxes, so our 7 must be here. 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 3. But I don't see any other help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 3 and 4. And I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, 8, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 3, 7, 8. 7 and 9 here, so 3, 8. 7 and 8 here, so 3, 9. 3 here, so 7, 8, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 8, 9. 4, 2, 4, and 9 here, so this is our 8. That 8 makes this our 2, 8. And we've got the 9 here, so this is our 4, 9. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. That 3 makes this our 9. So let's do some cleanup here. Can get rid of that 9. Oh. And that 9 makes this our 6, 9. With this 8, we can get rid of this 8. All right. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 1, 3, 1, 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 2, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this column, we're just missing a 5. That 5 makes this our 8, 5. For this top row now, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 6. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. That 1 makes this our 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 8, which means this is our 7, 3. That 7 makes this our 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.